Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to study chapter 1 from the book Vistas. The name of the chapter is The Third Level and it is written by Jack Finney. Students, the author Jack Finney was an American author and his best known works are science fiction and thrillers. In this story, The Third Level, Jack Finney gives us an impossible idea of going back in time at the reality level. On one of his visits to the Grand Central Station, the narrator Charlie had a curious experience on the third level of the station. He comes to see everything and everybody belonging to the last century. Actually, the third level is non existent in reality. It seems to be a means of escape for him. His psychiatrist friend Sam tells him that he wants to escape from the harsh realities of the life, and that is why the problem arises only when he himself reports to have gone back to Galesburg of 1894 from the third level. So let's have a quick review of the summary of the chapter. Students, the narrator Charlie insisted that there was a third level at the Grand Central Station. Though everybody contradicted him, he remembered how he came to the third level when he was to board a train for home one night from the second level at the station. He went down two steps to the first level, then he walked down to reach to the second level. He entered a long corridor which led him to what he called the third level. At the third level, everything was strange and different. The narrator watched dim light coming from the open flame gas lights. A man took out an old-fashioned gold pocket. The people were in old-fashioned clothes. There was an old-fashioned locomotive with a funnel-shaped stack. And he was also surprised to see a copy of a newspaper which had not been published for years. And later, when the narrator came back to the present real world, he found the copy of the newspaper with that front page story in one of the public library files, and it had the date of June 11, 1894. At the third level, the narrator had another unusual experience. When he went to the ticket clerk, the clerk stared at him and refused to accept modern currency with the words, and he said, "That aren't money, mister." He left the third level possibly the way he came. There he bought old style currency at a premium from a coin dealer. He tried to reach the third level at the station but could not find the corridor to it. When the narrator Charlie told about the third level to his wife and his friends and other people, nobody believed him. The station master asserted that there was no third level at the Grand Central Station, and Charlie's psychiatrist friend, whose name is Sam, told him that he was unhappy with the world around and that he wanted to escape from his world. Then the Charlie went away and tried to forget what he had seen. He kept himself busy with his old hobby of stamp collecting. Charlie's psychiatrist friend Sam disappeared after a while. Nobody saw him. There was no information about his whereabouts, where he had gone, and it is a mystery. And a strange first day cover was found by Charlie one day. And now you will have a question, what is a first day cover? Students, the first day cover is an empty envelope with a stamp collector posed to himself after affixing a newly released stamp on the first day of its sale. And the postmark on it showed that it had been there since 18 July 1894. And when Charlie opened it, the paper inside was not expectedly blank. In it, there was a note by Sam addressed to Charlie. It means it was sent by Sam to Charlie with the address 941 Williard Street, Galesburg, and dated July 18, 1894. Sam had written in the note that he had found the third level at the station. He informed Charlie that he had been in Old Galesburg for 2 weeks. He had words of praise for the peaceful life of Old Galesburg. He asked Charlie and his wife to keep looking for the third level and reach the place where he was. So, after reading Sam's note, the narrator's wife was convinced that there was really a third level at the Grand Central Station. The narrator found out that Sam had bought $800 worth of old style currency. So he and his wife Louisa thought that they had now the proof of the existence of the third level. So they started looking for it every weekend. So this is all about the summary of the chapter. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.